Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely delighted to be here to come and adjudicate most 3D printers operating simultaneously. The current record stands at 159 and it was set in 2014 in USA by Airwolf 3D. Okay? And so, with a total of 1,096, Joseph Prusa, you have set a new Guinness World Record. Most printers operating
Do Guinnessovy knihy rekordů.
He's at the forefront of the technology at the moment.
Už před 11 starem vyrábí tyto šestiúhelníky.
What are the 4 failures?
So one didn't finish, and I think 2 stewards forgot the prints here, and one actually took more than he should from other steward. So that's 3 from the process and 1 fail. So I'm very happy.
That's a very good, but that's a very good statistic, that one.
Yes.
In terms of